Hey you guys, look at my latest find. A Kirby G6 2000 limited edition upright. G6 2000 limited edition. It's really good shape now. Had a lot of polishing up to do. Rug renovator. Most all the tools. Some tools in here. One I'll pull out, including the zip brush. Never used one of these before. This is my first one. Only attachment it didn't have is it has the suds-o-gun, but all I have is the reservoir. I don't have the actual gun itself, but everything else is there. I actually picked this up from a lady who scraps metal for a living, and she had gotten this from an eviction from a mini storage, and it was just about to go into the scrap pile. All this would have gone to waste. All these plastic attachments, um, mainly the handle, the bag, all that would have been trashed because, this is pretty much the metal part. So she saw my ad I posted. If anybody had any vacuums they were looking to get rid of, email, let me know. And she called me. So, moments away from the scrapyard, I rescued her. Cleaned her all up, tuned it up. Works well. I'll do a demonstration. Tech drive sounds fine. Everything works great. Even the headlight works. Of course, my favorite feature. So here we go. I wish the bag was a little bigger, but it's okay. There's the light for the brush indicator. And the headlight. Anyway, there it is. And the best part, it was all only 25 bucks for everything. And all I'm missing is the spray gun for the suds-o-gun. I can probably pick one of those up somewhere for cheap, but anyway, not bad for 25 bucks. Still has the plastic thing that you're supposed to take off of here and off of here and also off of the one on the rug renovator for protection. It still has that on there, so I'm just trying to leave it on. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.